451 kilowatts. That is how fast this charges. The Porsche Taycan maxes out at 320. This is the Xpeng G6 all-wheel drive Performance, and it just became the fastest charging electric SUV you can buy. Here at the Brussels Motor Show, I am getting you the full tour. Starting with the exterior, the G6 has a presence that photographs simply cannot capture. This facelifted version gets the new Starlight Wing LED light bar stretching across the entire front end, giving it an unmistakable face at night. The silhouette is coupe-like, thanks to that sloping roofline meeting a rather aggressive rear spoiler. At 4.75 meters long and nearly 2 meters wide, this sits right in Audi Q6 territory. The 20-inch black alloy wheels on this Performance Black Edition add serious attitude. Around the back, you will notice the full-width taillight bar and a redesigned diffuser that cleans up the rear design nicely. The drag coefficient of 0.248 helps that blistering efficiency. For a Chinese brand most people have never heard of, this is a seriously handsome machine. Inside is where Xpeng really went to work. Over 20,000 improvements went into this facelift, and the cabin shows it. The 15.6-inch central touchscreen dominates the dashboard, running on a Qualcomm 8295 processor that keeps everything buttery smooth. In front of you sits a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, and a digital rearview mirror replaces the traditional setup. The seats deserve special mention. Nappa leather, heated, ventilated, and massaging comes standard. Yes, standard. That is equipment Tesla charges several thousand euros extra for. The ambient lighting stretches throughout the cabin, and that suede effect headliner adds a touch of sophistication that punches well above this price point. Rear passengers get generous legroom thanks to the 2.89-meter wheelbase, and they can even control the climate through voice commands. Practicality is strong across the board. The boot offers 571 liters with the seats up, expanding to 1,374 liters when you fold them flat. That easily matches the Tesla Model Y. A powered tailgate is standard, and the loading lip sits at a sensible height for heavy items. Under the floor you will find additional storage for charging cables. The flat floor throughout makes sliding longer items a breeze. There is even vehicle-to-load capability at 3.3 kilowatts, meaning you can power external devices directly from the car. The dual-motor setup produces 480 horsepower and 660 Newton-meters of torque. 0 to 100 takes just 4.1 seconds. The 80.8 kilowatt-hour LFP battery delivers up to 510 kilometers of WLTP range, but the headline is that charging speed. At 451 kilowatts peak, 10 to 80% takes 12 minutes. 12. That is faster than any competitor in this segment. At around 51,000 euros, the G6 all-wheel drive Performance undercuts the Tesla Model Y Performance by nearly 9,000 euros, while matching it on performance and absolutely destroying it on charging speed. This is who the G6 is built for. Families who want Tesla levels of tech without the Tesla price tag, wrapped in a package that charges faster than anything else on the road. Subscribe so you do not miss the videos we are releasing every single day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.